We've all heard about the YouTube success stories and how some YouTubers have made a lot of money in a very short time. In this video, we're going to show you the exact numbers, and I promise they will impress you. Hey, my name is Jason, and with our videos, we want to help entrepreneurs start and grow their social media online business and take it to the next level. So let's go and take a look at the revenue of YouTubers who already have an online business.
Preston Ayers. Gamers are among the most financially successful stars on YouTube. Preston Ayers is one of them. The 28-year-old US American films himself playing Minecraft. Together with a few other channels, he has a total of almost 12 million subscribers. As a result, he reached $16 million in revenue in 2021. Dude Perfect. Funny stunts are Dude Perfect's recipe for success. They lift weights underwater, or they run over the wings of a flying biplane. However, the majority of their income is not generated via YouTube, but by touring all over the world. Through the YouTube channel, they generate the visibility that ensures the success of their tours. Forbes' estimated Dude Perfect revenue is at $20 million in 2021. Ryan's World. In 2015, Ryan Kaji's parents started uploading video of their 4-year-old son testing new toys. This turned out to be one of the platform's biggest success stories. Ryan's World has over 31 million subscribers and generated an estimated revenue of $27 million in 2020. Advertising deals with Target and Walmart also made sure of that. Rhett and Link. Rhett and Link have various irons in the fire on YouTube. These include the cooking show Mythical Kitchen or their Mythical Accelerator initiative, with which they have invested $5 million in up-and-coming talent on the platform. For a live stream, the duo sold 70,000 tickets for $50 each in October 2021. According to Forbes, that helped with the annual tally of 30 million. Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast was named the best paid YouTuber of 2021 by Forbes, with an income of $54 million. The US American's videos were viewed 10 billion times last year. He generated further income through the success of the delivery app Mr. Beast Burger, which he promoted via his channel.
Okay, guys, after these mind-blowing numbers, let's think about what we can learn from this. YouTube is the platform where influencers can make the most money, and you've seen that most of them have multiple income streams for which they use their reach on YouTube. And everybody can do this. It doesn't matter who you are or where you come from. All you need are good ideas, original, high-quality content, the right information, consistency, and a working plan. Look, not everyone can make $54 million a year, but building an online business with $100,000 to $1 million in revenue a year, it's not that hard. If you want to learn step-by-step how to build such a successful online business, watch our other videos and click the subscribe button so you don't miss a new video.